To make this witch hat, I am using black wool felt, and you can see I have 2 triangles cut out, and I have the brim, the outside cut out. I haven't cut out the inside yet, but that'll be easy to do. And now what I'm going to do so that it's not just a black hat, I've got this Halloween fabric. I was looking at a couple of different ones that has different designs on it, small, short little designs. And I have picked these pumpkins here, and I'm taking this strip, and then I am going to be sewing it across both of the black triangles. Okay, now I have cut out that strip from the fabric that I want, and I have pinned it in place, making sure that even though these 2 black triangles are not connected, I wanted them even because I want this fabric strip to be equal, of course, at the same height on both sides of the hat. So I have taken some pins and just folded under a little, and then my next step will be to sew just a straight stitch across here to make sure that you catch under the lip right here, and then of course on the bottom. After we've done that, then we will trim it apart right here, and then do right sides facing together, and then sew the 2 black triangles together just here and here, leaving it open at the bottom. See you at the next step. Okay, now we have the 2 triangles sewed together, and I have cut the circle out of the brim, and we are going to take this and slide it over the top like that. And then we are going to pin it all around here. So you want to match up the inside of the brim to the hat and pin it all the way around. I'll show you as soon as it's done here. And here we have the hat and the brim all pinned together, and then we are going to stitch it. I am not going to show you stitching it here, but I am going to show you how I get it on there. Just flatten it like that. Make sure that you have the underside way back there, and about 1/8 of an inch from the edge. Let's go ahead and sew all the way around. And here we have everything is stitched all around like that. I'm going to turn it over, and you've got your little hat. And my snack. And you can just either set it on top of him or her, because she's a her, or pin it in place. I hope you had fun making this little Halloween bear.